The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a remarkable addition to DJI's lineup of compact drones, offering a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features that cater to both beginner and experienced pilots. With its lightweight design, weighing in at just under 250 grams, this drone is highly portable, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures without the burden of heavy equipment. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its impressive camera capabilities. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 48 megapixel stills and supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. This combination allows users to produce high-quality imagery and smooth video footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. The drone also offers advanced HDR capabilities, ensuring that your shots have vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. The Mini 4 Pro is packed with intelligent flight modes such as Focus Track, which allows the drone to autonomously follow and film a subject, and Master Shots, which enables the drone to execute a series of cinematic maneuvers automatically. These features make it easy for users to create professional-looking videos without extensive editing skills. Additionally, the drone's enhanced obstacle avoidance system uses multiple cameras and sensors to detect obstacles in real time, providing an extra layer of safety during flights. Battery life is another highlight of the Mini 4 Pro, offering up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This extended battery performance allows users to capture more footage. Without the DJI Mini 2 SE is a remarkable addition to the ever-growing lineup of compact drones, blending performance and portability in a way that caters to both novice and experienced pilots alike. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this lightweight drone is designed for easy transport, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures, travel, or simply capturing stunning aerial footage from your backyard. Equipped with a powerful 12 megapixel camera, the Mini 2 SE offers high-quality stills and can shoot 2.7K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring that every moment is captured in vivid detail. With its 3-axis gimbal stabilization, users can expect smooth, professional-looking footage even in windy conditions. The drone's impressive flight capabilities are complemented by a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes on a single charge, allowing you to spend more time in the air and less time worrying about battery life. Enhanced with DJI's signature Fly app, this drone offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the flying experience. New pilots can take advantage of various intelligent flight modes, such as quick shots, to effortlessly create stunning aerial videos with just a few taps. Additionally, the Mini 2 SE includes advanced safety features, including GPS-based positioning and obstacle detection, giving users added peace of mind while flying. While the Mini 2 SE packs a punch in terms of features and performance, it also comes at the DJI Air 3 Fly is an impressive addition to the drone market, showcasing the brand's commitment to innovation and quality in aerial photography and videography. This drone combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. At the heart of the DJI Air 3 Fly is its advanced camera system, which offers stunning 4K video capabilities and high-resolution still photography. With a larger sensor and improved optics, users can capture breathtaking footage with vibrant colors and exceptional clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. The drone is equipped with intelligent shooting modes, including panorama and time-lapse, allowing users to explore their creativity and produce professional-grade content effortlessly. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3 Fly is its extended flight time, thanks to the powerful battery system that allows for longer adventures in the sky. This means more time capturing the perfect shot without the constant worry of returning to base for a recharge. Additionally, the drone boasts enhanced stability and wind resistance, ensuring smooth flights and steady footage, even in less than ideal weather conditions. The DJI Air 3 Fly also comes with various intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me and Waypoints, which simplify the piloting experience and allow users to focus on capturing stunning visuals rather than managing the drone. These features are particularly useful for action sports enthusiasts and content creators who want to capture dynamic shots with minimal effort. Furthermore, the drone's compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, allowing the DJI Avatar combo represents an exciting leap in the world of drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Designed for both beginners and seasoned aerial enthusiasts, the Avatar is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable and easy to maneuver in various environments. Equipped with advanced stabilization technology, the drone delivers smooth, cinematic footage, even in challenging conditions. Its 4K camera captures stunning visuals with vibrant colors and intricate detail, allowing users to create breathtaking aerial content that stands out. The Avata combo includes an array of accessories that enhance the flying experience, such as extra batteries for extended flight time, propeller guards for added safety, and a comfortable controller that provides precise control over the drone's movements. One of the standout features of the DJI Avata is its intuitive flight modes, which cater to different skill levels. From simple flight paths for novices to advanced settings for experienced pilots, the drone makes aerial photography accessible to everyone. Additionally, the inclusion of obstacle avoidance sensors ensures that even those new to flying can navigate their surroundings with confidence. With its robust design and impressive capabilities, the DJI Avata combo is not just a drone, it's a versatile tool for creativity, allowing users to explore the world from a unique perspective and capture stunning footage like never before. Whether you're filming a family event, documenting an adventure, or creating professional-grade content, the Avata combo is poised to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in drone technology, catering to both professional filmmakers and aerial photography enthusiasts alike. Equipped with an advanced dual-camera system, the Mavic 3 Pro features a large 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, allowing for stunning 20MP still images and 5.1K video recording at 50 frames per second. This camera setup not only enhances low-light performance, but also offers dynamic range, providing users with the ability to capture breathtaking, high-quality footage in various lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its impressive flight time, boasting up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life means you can spend more time in the air capturing your desired shots without the constant worry of recharging. Additionally, the drone incorporates a sophisticated omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, making it safer to navigate in complex environments and reducing the risk of collisions. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Mavic 3 Pro also supports advanced intelligent flight modes, such as Active Track 5.0, which enables the drone to autonomously follow and film subjects with precision. Furthermore, it includes enhanced transmission technology that allows for a range of up to 15 kilometers, ensuring that you can maintain a stable connection even at greater distances. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, solidifying its position as a top-tier choice for aerial cinematography.